How's it going, everyone? This is Eddie with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and today I'll be showing you guys how to reset your Nintendo Switch. So to get started, power it on, pressing the button there. There we go. Ooh, Fortnite. Nice. Anyways, go into settings here. Scroll all the way down to the system. Then you're going to have to make sure that your system's up to date first. So we press here on the system update. It'll check. System's up to date. If it's not, go ahead, do the update, and then just come back to this and follow the rest of this tutorial. Then we just scroll all the way down to formatting options. Press A. All the way down to initialize console. Press that. We'll go all the way down. Next, it's going to be like, are you sure? And be like, oh yeah, I'm sure. Hit A and then leave it. Pretty simple, straightforward process. Don't power it off or turn it off, and make sure you have plenty of battery. If you don't, have your unit plugged in so to ensure that it resets correctly. And so once it goes through this process, you'll be good to go. And if you're reselling it, you could feel confident selling it with all your information off there, or you just want to start fresh, giving it to a friend, or just for whatever reason it may be. Pretty simple, easy process. Hope you guys liked the video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave a comment below. We do our best to reply to all your guys' comments. And if you have a damaged Switch and need any parts, tools, or want to send it in to our repair center, we do repair them and sell all the parts and tools to repair them. Again, thanks for watching. Have a great day.